So, Carmen, the problem you have is 8 open parentheses negative 2r plus 2r close parentheses minus 6r plus 5 squared plus 4 open parentheses 10r minus 3 close parentheses. So how you finish this, how you solve this problem is using please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That's parentheses, exponents, that's an exponent. These are parentheses. My, that's for multiplication. Dear, that's for division. Aunt is for adding. And S is for subtraction. So the first thing you want to handle when you do this problem is parentheses. See these parentheses? So you need to multiply the 8. This, when you see something like this, that means multiply. So you want to multiply 8 times negative 2r. So that's basically, if you want to see, it's like 8 times 2r, negative 2r. So a positive times a negative gives you a negative. So that'd be 8 times negative 2 give you negative 16r. So you're right, like that. That means distribute, that means multiplication. Then you're going to multiply the 8 to the 2 as well. So 8 times a negative 2r gives you negative 16r plus 16. Because 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times a negative 2 is negative 16r. Bring this down. So you're going to rewrite negative 16r. Negative 6r, I'm sorry. Next, you're going to deal with this parentheses. So you're going to distribute the 4, which means multiply. That means times, or the new symbol y'all use. And then distribute the 4 here. So it'll be 4 times 10r will give you 40r. 4 times negative 3 or minus 3 will give you minus, because a negative times a positive times a negative gives you a negative. So you rewrite the negative, and then 4 times 3 is 12. So you did the parentheses, that one and then this one. Now you're going to do exponent. That's an exponent. 5 to the second power is basically 5 times 5, which will give you 25. A positive times a positive gives you a positive, so you write the positive. See that? Positive 25. Now you're going to look at your like terms. So you see a negative 16r here. So you write one line. You see a negative 6r here, you write one line. You see this should be positive, because a positive times a positive gives you a positive. See a positive 40r, write one line. Then you see numbers here and there. So you write 2 lines. 2 lines, 2 lines, 2 lines. And then you rewrite the problem. So you can start with the larger number first. 40r minus 16r minus 6r. Then you can go with the larger number, which would be plus 25 plus 16 from here, and then minus 12. So if you look at this like this, you say 40 minus 16. Don't worry about the r, because you just put the r back where it's at. 40 minus 16 gives you 3, borrow 10. 10 from 6 from 10 is 4. 3 minus 1 gives you 2. Then you want to minus the 6. Leave the r, don't worry about the r. Minus 6. So you're going to 1, Borrow, make this 14. 14, take away 6, gives you 8. Bring the 1 down. Now, if you could have just kept the R there, and then the R there, and the R there. And you just bring the R on down. So that'd be 18R. It'd be a positive 18R because 40 was the positive. You took away 16, got 24, took away 6, and the remainder is 18. Keep the R in place. Then you go over here with your numbers. You got 25 plus 16. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 41. Then you want to minus 12. Borrow. Make that a 3. Make that 11. 11 take away 2 gives you 9. 3 minus 1 gives you 2. So then you bring it to positive 2 because there's a positive 25. You added 16, got 41, took away 12. So this is positive. Then you bring the terms together. That'll be 18R plus 29.